Isang magandang musical part ng film ay nung kumanta si Trixie sa kasal ng kanyang best friend. Ang ganda ng get-up ko dito as Trixie. Rocker na rocker talaga with black dress and rubber shoes. I also love my cover of the song Akin Ka Na Lang by Itchy Worms.
Wedding yon ng best friend ko. Nagkatuluyan sila ng bandmate ko, si played by Teddy Corpus.
Napaka-blessed ko dahil bilang artista, napasama ako sa isang malaking film, katulad ng The Break Up Playlist, at bilang musikero, nakaka-inspire din na merong music that sort of pays tribute to bands, no, in a way, and original Filipino band music. Ang role ko po dito ay si Lester. Ako po ang band manager ni Sara at ni Piolo.
Action. Alright, shut up, everybody. Before we go on, I want to say, I got a surprise. I'd like to call on Denzel Gritt's secret brother. Everybody, shake.
We try to surround Piolo and Sara with legit talaga musicians and rock stars. Para kasi yun nga, may ibang vibe ang rock scene eh. So yun, para mabigyan siya ng justice, mas lalong ipasok mo yung ibang musicians para mas maging totoo yung milieu. Para mas ma-feel din ng actors yung presence ng ibang musicians.
Refreshing. At saka, parang eye-opener din siya sa mga nakikinig lang, di ba? Na, ganito pala yung pinagdadaanan ng mga aspiring na musicians, artists, especially sa banda, kung gaano kahirap ma-sustain yung magandang relationship ng isang banda. Maganda siyang awareness sa mga taong nanonood, nakikinig lang. Diba? At saka, while doing the film, shooting the film, nakakatuwa kasi nakaka-relate kami. Kasi ako bilang recording artist, yung mga eksena na pinagdaanan namin, talagang nangyayari in real life bilang mga artist.
Wow! Nakaka-jump na lang sa bento. Namakas! Ako pa rin ako mamatay, guys.
Si Basti ng Wolfgang, not playing as himself, kundi playing a different character as Kaloy. So, nakakatuwa lang na, wow, iba yung power sa Direk Dan.
Ang masasabi ko lang, si Sara is very down to earth. Wala siyang ego, walang yabang sa katawan. She goes there and she works. Kaya nakaka-inspire po, lalo sa mga supporting na katulad namin.
Mental version.
Tawa lang siya ng tawa. Kahit na anong sabihin ko, tawa lang siya ng tawa. Silang dalawa ni PJ, si Piolo, ganun din. Tawa lang sila ng tawa katrabaho.
It's always great because when you have a movie that has a movie soundtrack, na maraming songs, syempre masaya kami kasi, you know, it's not just actors that get the break, but focus is also put on Filipino music. Magaganda yung mga songs natin, magagaling, marami tayong talented na songwriters, musicians. So, I'm thankful kasi it kind of shines the light on OPM.
Diba?
Alright guys, early pack up ako ngayon kasi meron po akong commercial shoot tomorrow para sa isang endorsement. Pero magla-last day kami sa Sunday after ng ASAP ko, so abangan niyo po.
Hi Sarah, I just wanted to wish you a beautiful birthday. I've seen you really grow up, become more confident, become more beautiful, and this is the most beautiful I've ever seen you. I hope you really enjoy this year. You're really becoming more confident, your voice is getting better and better, and you're becoming more, adventurous. So sana ma-enjoy mo na talaga itong 27th year mo, and I hope you always stay with Bello. Thank you so much for your love and loyalty.